am here with another layout. I'm going to use basil cardstock. And this is the first layout using the October 2021 kit. And I'm going to use, I'm going to use this bat pattern, sweater weather, hip kit gloves, a little baddie, and then that, I called it a pinwheel pattern because it kind of looks like a pinwheel, which is the reverse side of the bat pattern. So I'm trying to make it even. And I noticed that there was like a small gap there, and I'm like, nah. And I said, I'll forget it. And this is my niece. My sister made her unicorn costume. And I don't know if, I guess I didn't print the others, but her cousins and uncle, no, actually it'd be, was it Cody? I think so. So I think her Uncle Cody, me, my nephew, no. See. No, that would be her cousin. No, that would be her cousin, never mind. Anyway. So her cousins, Cody and Hunter, dressed up and they wore a blow-up unicorn costume. Because I know it, like, their feet went in it to like the waist, I think. And then I don't know if there was a head thing. I don't remember, but yeah. Because I remember my sister putting on Facebook and saying what her cousins will do for her. Anyway, the die cuts are Hip Kit Club Sweater Weather. The tags were left over from a October 2020 kit. I didn't use all of the fall themed ones, so I put it in a drawer. And Boo sticker is Hip Kit Club Sweater Weather as well. And I have a really long title. I put my tablet there to keep her tail out of my way, and she gets mad. Oh my gosh, I got like Cat City. I wish I could feed them somewhere else because they're only in my scrapbook room because that's where their food and water are. That was nice. After Coco's passing, I can move their food out of my scrapbook room and then shut the door. But I don't have a plan. Well, unless I made it, I could kick him out of my room. But poor Reese, this is her hideaway from Theo because Theo's mean. I could put him on my fish aquarium, just make that. Well, no, because I feed all three, and all three will not sit on my TV aquarium. Anyway, so my title is Every Little Thing She Does is Hip Kit Club Sweater Weather, and then Magic is Hip Kit Club. Oh, I didn't write it down. So I'll have to see what I used. Magic. I'm trying to think of what I used. Oh, Magic is here. Well, let me just hear you say. Okay. Alright, so every little thing she does. Oh, it's magic. Oh, so it's those ones. Alright, let me see if I can find it. Magic. It's maybe over here. Oh, that's just. Okay, go up with it, stickers. That's like the ones where they're usually like a kind of exclusive, I guess. And then it's trying to get it straight. As a challenge. Must be static. Anyway, so once I get my title down, that is all I do for this layout. So I will let you finish watching, and when I have more done, I'll be back with those. Thanks for watching, guys, and being patient with all the distractions of the cats. I apologize, but anyway, thanks for your patience. Bye.